Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to the fashion world. How you are doing? Hope the working week is going on smoothly as expected. Today's video, I want to inspire you with lovely, beautiful, gorgeous styles. Today's video is all about Boubou styles made with lace and Ankara fabrics. You know Boubou. When you talk about Boubou, fabulousness is what comes to mind. Gorgeousness is also not excluded. Boubou is that styles. Boubou style is one style that will make you look fabulously gorgeous wherever you find yourself. With Boubou, you will always feel larger than life. Boubou give you that comfort. You feel free putting on Boubou styles. You can walk elegantly into any social gathering and you find yourself being the focal person wherever you enter into, and it brings this aura of confidence, swag, finesse, poise anytime you put on Boubou style. Boubou is for every woman. Some women look tomboyish, but with Boubou, that feminine disposition always comes to bear, and that is what we tend to bring out in you through these styles rolling by on your screen. As usual, sit back, relax, and get that maximum styles inspiration from this very video from the beginning to the end. We meticulously selected these awesome styles for your delight, and trust me, by the time you finish watching this video from the beginning to the end, you will most definitely be inspired in many ways that you can think of. Enjoy this lovely video. Leave your thoughts below in the comment section. Share this video with family and friends for us to able to spread the trend of African dresses and styles across the world. And give this video a thumbs up if you find the styles in it interesting. And if you are here for the first time, you are most definitely welcome to Fashion World, that #1 urban cyberspace where the best of African fashion are showcased. Hit on the subscribe button and put on your post notification for you to always get notified anytime we drop a video like this on this platform. And leave your thoughts below in the comment section. We need to have your thoughts. Your thoughts give us that feedback on how best to serve you better going forward. My name is BJ, a fashion enthusiast and a promoter of African print designs, and also an ambassador of African fashion. Wishing you lovely, fulfilling, prosperous, rewarding working week ahead. I will see you at the end of the video. Thank you.
I don't wanna have you, baby. I just wanna have a fling. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Yeah. Tell me what you wanna do. Give me everything you got. I just wanna try to get you in the mood. I just wanna hit your spot. I wanna get low. Wanna get low. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Ooh. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy.
That lovely video. Hope you enjoy what we brought to you today. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and help us to share this video with family and friends for us to even spread the trend across the globe. And don't forget to leave your thoughts below in the comment section. My name is BJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.